blood. When will we realize we're sisters and brothers? And what the world needs now is love. There's a dreamer inside each one of us who wants to fall into chances. We could pick the brother up, a sister down on her knees, praying for answers. Why don't you show the sister love? All over the world, life is unjust, but I do believe there is still a dream to believe in. There is still a hope after hope is gone. We could be the Father's hands and give peace a chance and show the world there is still a dream.
And everyone needs one, 'cause no one is free from the worries of life that drag us down.
If you can make it, my hands can take it.
We'll stand together and pray.
There is still a dream to believe in.
There is still a hope after hope is gone.
We could be the Father's hands and give peace a chance and show the world, to show the world there is still a dream to believe in. There is still a hope after hope